Yeah, hi. I just stumbled on a nice feature from Grok from the imaging service. Maybe you heard about this. And I experimented with this a little bit. I also wrote software to create poses, like 3D poses, and render them as gray box poses, bring them up to Grok and with a style image as a sample, and Grok brings me um, this gray boxed humanoid with his back with a style, and I could also be create videos with my software, and Grok is styling these videos frame by frame. Very interesting thing. Now I wanted to create a book about my software stack. It's called Forge 4D. It's a Godot game engine based environment. Very interesting thing. You declare the app with SML. It's a simple markup language. It's based on, maybe you know it from QML from Qt. So I reused it just without expressions. And I wanted to make a cover for my new book, which is about Forge and how I came there. I needed 30 years about to come to this very project, and I wanted to write a book about that because it may help junior developers. So I created SML source code, made made a screenshot of it, and I gave this very SML picture to Grok and wrote, "Can you please create me a book cover?" And I will show you in a bit what amazing thing Grok with this. It reads my picture, recognizes that there is text in, like title Forge 4D, subtitle Building Software Without Barriers, and also the author name, my name, and it put this information on the book cover. So it's very crazy, very crazy. And then I thought, oh, maybe I should try with other prompts, and I also got a prompt like a man in the forest with sun and so on. And I will show you. Here's the result. I will put this all together in a video later. And there's something I wanted to try. A couple, man and woman, in the yab-yum posture. I tried this before with just normal prompts, and Grok was not able to render this as I wanted to. So that's why I created this software with the real 3D postures. But now I find another way out, and this is amazing. You should look at it. And there's this SML prompt for this posture, and I put it onto Grok without adding anything, just the SML. It's a markup, and Grok rendered me this image. Then I thought I have to talk to Grok, to the chat thing, and I'm asking, is this intentionally that you understand SML, my language? And she said, yeah, no, we understand YAML, we understand JSON, and SML is similar. It's structured. And what this brought me, the idea to use it for other prompts. When you have got a prompt, it's like it's flowing text. This could not be interpreted very nicely. Maybe something is missing. And then Grok came up with a prompt, with character, with gender, male, age, this and that, and you see it in the pictures. And it came with this result. Very amazing, very amazing. I think I've never. I stumbled on this like accidentally, and now I've got this SML we can use to create better prompts. and you should just try it out. Use the text editor. For example, I've got a Visual Studio Code, and I also made this syntax filing. It doesn't matter. You can use any text editor. You can just put it into the prompt. There's a little bit structure. So, and these for example title colon and then the string in quotes. This is also jumble syntax. So Grok knows this syntax. So and it is Grok said it's very structured, so it can render it. I also tried to give an animation from my software stack. There's an animation and the keyframe with quantennium numbers. So maybe there's a Mixamo arm, and this is turned like this. Maybe you know from 3D rigging, and it also understands this. So I'm making some science with this later, and I just wanted to inform you that this is an amazing thing, and maybe you can also try this out, and let me know. Give me some prompts, put it in the comments below, and maybe this can go viral and help the world to make better prompts. I think it's so amazing. I will show you all this in a minute. So see you later.